Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I will try to explain how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate NPV. So basically I receive a submission from students that they already have some scenario about the project with the outflow and inflow. So you can see from this Excel, this is the data, assuming that the data is correct, whatever the data. So my first comment is, please, it is better if you have the outflow, for example, at these rows, this is actually outflow, so it is better to put is a negative number, so we can see clearly which one is outflow, which one is inflow. Okay, so that is the first thing. You need to make it a negative. But that's okay. If we start with this. The second, please use automatic calculation from Excel rather than you do it manually. For example, the period cash flow, in this case, we have B6 minus B5 minus B4. So it's better to use, I will put it in the row 7. So it is B6 minus sum of all of the costs. So it is easier. So you can drag it to the right. So I think that is the faster way to do the automatic calculations. Actually the number is correct, but I believe that the process is much faster, and there is no possibility to have the wrong calculations. In case of manually, when you do C6 minus C5, sometimes you put a plus at instead of minus, and so on. Okay, so that is the second point, that you can improve these works. The third one that we can improve is about the calculations of present value. In this case, in the present value, you see, it is totally manual. BH divided by 1 plus 2.5%, as the 1/4 of the year annual interest rate, and power by 1, power by 2, by 3, by 4. That is actually manual. So what you can do actually, if we have this either it is annually or quarterly, because we have quarterly, then it is better to put it here. For example, whatever, for example, this one, this is the first period, this is the second period, the third period. Then we will use this to calculate the present value. I will give it with different color. So for example, we want to calculate the present value for the first quarter. So actually, you can use future, future divided by 1 plus 2.5%, power, so you can select this. This is should be 2.5, and then so you can drag it. So it is also faster. And the last one, number 4. So when we have this cash flow, total cash flow, so rather than doing manually 1 by 1 to calculate present value, and then you add so you can sum up all of this using some functions, and then you select all of this. So this there is you can use the Excel functions, yeah. But when you use Excel function, be careful, be careful. So whenever we are at the time 0, yeah, period 0, that means we are here, yeah. So I will give this red mark. So we need to calculate starting from the first period, second period, and so on. So it means that we want to calculate at the current stage, yeah, at period 0. So whenever you do that, so you can use NPV function, NPV, yeah. So you select that. Whenever you found the formula, click tab, and then the rate is 2.5%. You can select if you have the cell filled by 2.5%. Then you select the cash flow, yeah, without calculating one by one. So actually you got the same values. Okay, last but not least, yeah, we are at the first quarter, yeah, rather than at period 0, yeah, the last quarter of the year 0. So actually we are at the Q1. Okay, so how to calculate the net present value? So whenever we are at the Q1, then the net present value is NPV. Okay, so we select this with 2.5%, comma. The data should start with the next period, not at the first quarter, because our first period now is at the second period. Okay, so you select this, yeah, without column B, and then so that is the net present value from second quarter until the last period. But because we have a present value for the first quarter, so you need to plus with the current, yeah. Okay, so that is the net present value if we are at the first quarter. Okay, and good luck. Thank you.